Hi everyone, welcome to another video of wine making. Today I'm gonna do the wine bottling, and this is gonna be my second carboy of this 2020 and 2021 homebrew red wine batch. And so what I have here today would be the bottle drying tree, my sanitizer injector. You got a 1 gallon of One Step Sanitizer already mixed, and I got these bottles already washed. So now I'm gonna rinse them with sanitizer. Then got these hose, vacuum can, bottle filler. Two stainless steel buckets, plastic buckets. So I'm gonna rinse the bottles first, then use the leftover solution or clean these hoses and buckets, and we start the bottling process. Let's get started. Siphon, 3/8 hose, and 3/8 bottle filler. Then we're ready to start. I'm on my last bottle, partially last bottle. Left over there. Well, that's it. Let's see how many bottles. All right, that's it. I got some leftover inside there. About half of the bottle here. Plus 12 in here, 12 in here, 24. That's 26 and a half bottles. Okay, that's it for today. Okay, folks, cheers and see you next time.